Hi friends, welcome to your Guru channel. దీక్ష ప్లాట్ఫామ్ లో కెరీర్ గైడెన్స్ సంబంధించిన ట్రైనింగ్ సంబంధించిన ఫస్ట్ కెరీర్ గైడెన్స్ మొట్టమొదటి మాడ్యూల్ కి సంబంధించిన క్విజ్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఏ విధంగా ఉన్నాయనేది ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. నేనైతే ఈ విధంగా ఆన్సర్స్ ని మార్క్ చేసి సబ్మిట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. అది ఏ విధంగా ఉంది ఏమిటనేది చూద్దాం. Career guidance aids in profiling a student. The statement is true. Next one. Career guidance is a lifelong process. It is true or false statement. It is true statement. Next. Which of the following requires a very formal qualification? Right answer is profession. Which of the following is not true? Career development begins with entry to the school. The start point of the career development model is information about self. Next question. Career development refers to managing one's learning, work and life. Next question. Which of the following is not covered in the definition of career guidance as stated by OECD? Doctorate to be mandatorily pursued. Next question. The common themes discussed are part of life skills curriculum. This is the right answer. Next question. Dash is anything that provides the basic necessity of life like food, shelter, clothing. Right answer is livelihood. Next question. Which of the following is not part of the career development model plan? Next question. Which of the following will figure at the top of pyramid? Knowing how I make decision. Next question. Which of these not component of career guidance? Career guidance help to reflect on disinterest. As per the career development model, the match should be between option and self. Which of the following is correct? The career guidance program is part of life skills development program. Next question. Dash in the standpoint behavior is described from the vantage point. ETIC. Which of the following statement is not true? Career guidance aids in efficient use of labor and increase unemployment. Next question. The standpoint of analysis of ETIC is said to be dash because a person is not influenced by the culture. He is observing variables. Dash is used to talk about certain space of work. That is the right answer is job. Next. Which of the following is not true with respect to pyramid of aspects of career choice? Right answer is landing at the bottom of pyramid all over again is disadvantageous to the person. Next question. Which of the following is not a pillar of life skills? Learning to have. Next question. This is 20 questions. 20 questions out of 20. Submit chestnut.